What's up, family? Are you ready for some succulent, sexy lobster tails? Well, let's get it cracking. So first we need to cut off the feet. They may be gills, they may be fins, I don't know. Whatever they are, grab your kitchen scissors and cut them off. So first we need to cut off the little feet. I don't know if these are feet or fins or gills. I don't know. Just grab your kitchen scissors and cut them off. So next we need to cut down the middle of the shell and separate the meat from the shell. And you can use a spoon or maybe a butter knife to help separate it and pull it out. I have to fight with the lobster tail every single time. Whatever. So next, just pinch the shell together and place the meat on top of the shell. Make sure you give it a good rinse in some cool water to remove, any extra membranes or anything that doesn't look too good. I found this really great garlic butter sauce at the store. It has a touch of olive oil in it, which prevents the butter from burning. But if you can't find this, it's all good. Just melt a little salted butter, add a pinch of garlic, parsley, and a pinch of olive oil. It'll be the same thing, same difference, y'all. Brush the lobster tails with the butter sauce and add a little salt. Little salt, little black pepper, and a little paprika. And the paprika is optional. Everybody doesn't necessarily care for it, but don't worry, if you don't add it, the lobster tails are still going to be bomb.com. Now for a perfect lobster tail, the secret is to weigh it. Family, this is really easy. For every ounce, we need to broil the tail for 1 minute. And these lobster tails are about 3 ounces. So you guessed it, we'll broil these for about 3 to 4 minutes. So I have my broiler set to 500 degrees, and you can place these on aluminum foil or directly on the rack. Just don't put it directly under the broiler. It will burn. So give it about 5-6 inches from the broiler. And that's it, guys. I'm about to drown these in a little garlic butter and tear them up. Yes, these will finish your surf and turf entrees. Just add a little grilled asparagus, hook it up. As always, thank you for watching. Subscribe for more secret recipes, and I'll see you next time. Peace.